She walks through the storm with her head held high, chasing dreams the world told her to forget. Every setback becomes her strength, and every no fuels her fire. Against all odds, she rises because she knows her dreams are not optional, they are her destiny. Well, these lines describe the character of my today's guest. My name is Kamal Vich, and welcome to my podcast, Happy Not Just Rich. Our guest today is an amazing lady with multiple skills and a die-hard spirit to achieve whatever she wants. Whatever she has planned, she has achieved it with her hard work, dedication, and I won't give up kind of attitude. She is a fashion designer by profession, entrepreneur by nature, and inner discovery coach by her life's mission. So, Miss Ruchi, welcome to the podcast. How are you doing today?
Thank you so much for having me in, and I am doing great, like as always. And being with you, it's always a pleasure. So, yeah, I am doing great.
Excellent. I was reading and researching about you and I found this beautiful term, this French term, flaneuse.
Yes.
Ruchi Mystic Flaneuse. So let's start from there. Yeah, let's try to elaborate this
Okay.
term and your journey.
Okay, fine. So Ruchi is my name, and
Yeah.
which is obviously adjective, as in the Ruchi Sardana Bhutani, which is my maternal and after marriage name, my husband's name. But it turned out to be Ruchi Mystic Flanneus during my journey, where I was going through a lot of mysticism. Magical things were happening, and somehow during that journey, as in we talk about the mystics is more about intuitive, and then I am a psychic medium also. I am a channel also. And then there are lots and lots of things where, I keep on moving and I keep on tapping into the different level of consciousness. I keep on astral traveling. So that was a part of my journey which bring that word to my name, Mystic. And Flanneus is, I am a very free hearted spirit and fearless spirit, and it's like the Flanneus, as in literally it means a soulful wanderer. So I am that person who has that mystic elements within her within her
Mm.
soul, but at the same time she is just a wanderer, and she just kept exploring everything, you name it, and she'll just go deeper and deeper, looking into everything with so the unseen and the unknown are the two things where she kept diving deeper, where people are afraid of not going into the unseen or not going to the unknown. Ruchi Mystic Flanneus is the person, you will always find her in the unknown and the unseen, exploring them, understanding them, and then bringing a lots of wisdom and bringing lots and lots of you can say information to channel and give it to the world. That's what I do. So that's what is that Ruchi Mystic Flanneus is.
No, I'm really, really impressed by your work. I have seen your profile on Facebook, Instagram, and I see what kind of diverse research you have done in the past couple of years, and you worked
Yes.
on yourself. And also, I read your book. I think a couple, 3 months or maybe 4 months
Yeah,
back.
I
You
published it in February this year.
February, so already like 4 5 months have passed. I When I read that book, I really liked it because the character of that book, I think you try to portray yourself as the
Uh,
character there. It was really touched me. How
Thank you.
yeah, how this character was. Okay, we'll give the link of that, and we'll also talk about that book
Definitely,
during
but
the.
that
I have some.
that that is more or less like 5% of my journey that happened, that bring that 360-degree shift from our director operations to becoming the inner eye discovery and the energy alignment coach. So that was
Right.
just the beginning and the 5% of that journey. But yes, I try to bring it to the world so that they can understand and that they see that moving forward and with fearlessly is what brings your biggest potential on the table for you only. It's not,
Okay.
whatever is happening, it's happening for you only and for your good only, and for you to, you know, for you to reach where you meant to,
Yeah.
not where you think, but where you are meant to.
Look, I want to tell my audience like why we are having this conversation today. I mean, why I was so influenced by you that I wanted to invite you to my show because first you started as a fashion designer That's your education. You worked in the
Yes.
corporate world, in supply and chain, and the real corporate life you have seen.
Yes.
Then you jumped into the entrepreneurship when you and your husband set up the telecom training business, and you
Yes.
handled important roles in that organization, supporting him side by side. And because of you, he was so successful. Without your support, it would have been difficult, very difficult. Then after that, you completely left that field when the whole world was moving towards 5G, 4G finish, and then people are going towards 5G, fifth generation of mobile communication.
Yes.
uh, then that time, completely you took complete 360-degree shift, and you left that telecom high tech world to this spiritual and inner self discovery. And please, I think you can use better words, so please go ahead with
Yeah,
that one.
so it's more of, yes, it's a 360-degree turn because till that time, being the director operations of Telco Crafts and being, a partner in the firm with my husband, so the life was perfect.
Mm,
You what else you can ask from your life, but still, something a void was there. We were at our best when the COVID hit, and even in COVID also we did way too good in our company,
mm,
right? But after that, there were certain things that happened mysteriously in our life that actually brought that shift in our life, which helped me, or you can say which turned me to inwards.
mm, mm,
So what happened, I share that small incident. What happened is, like, I still remember, I always talk about this thing. So what was happening, I mentioned that in my book also. So something happened, I lost my baby, I had a miscarriage. And after that, one or the other, after a few months, I started having different kinds of pains in my body,
mm,
right? And there was nothing in the reports. There was no one who could tell ki why it is happening, whatever is happening, why it is happening. So we started looking for ki, okay, to whom we should go. Then certain mystical things started happening. I started having lots and lots of visions, and lots many things happened. But there was no one who could answer. And since my childhood, I am a person who used to go to the roof and talk to the moon and the stars. That point of time, that thing came back into picture, where because nobody was able to answer, so I started again going back to the moon and stars to answer. आप भगवान जी के पास जाते हैं, you go to that divine ki, okay, nobody is able to tell me. Let me know, I really need to know what is happening.
and sorry to interrupt you, how long it went, this whole, this, let's say, investigation, of what's the reason to find the root cause, how long this went?
um 1 year.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
for that 1 year, I was continuously into pains. My complete body was like going through that. And whosoever had seen me, they were able to see that I am, losing weight, reducing, it's kind of the whole entire chemistry of my body was changed. But
Okay.
there was nothing that can be recorded or that can come into the picture. So that was the time, early morning, I woke up at 3 a.m. I was not
Mm,
able to sleep. There were times when I was literally not sleeping because I was not able to understand what is happening. Then I
right.
started talking to the moon and the stars, and then at 3 a.m., I woke him up and I was telling him with the tears in my eyes, see, nobody is able to tell. Let me do it my way. Nobody can give any answers to me except my own self, because that's what I used to do since my childhood. I always used
Mm,
to talk to myself. So I said, but all I need is that trust, because I don't know what's going to come. I really
mm,
don't know. It's completely an entirely different and a new word to me. But whatever is happening, nobody else can answer me, because it is my life, my body, and nobody can enter into it except me.
mm,
Right. So that was the day, life took 360-degree turn from where, we stopped going anywhere, and COVID was there. I was pregnant also. So in my pregnancy, somehow doctor advised me to take the complete bed rest because of the, miscarriage happened 2 years before. So that became the turning point, and I was not able to get up from the bed. So throughout my pregnancy, for good 6 7 months, I was completely on bed, which actually brought the shift in our life, in my husband's life, in my life. But that was the time when I started going inwards. I read 50 books during my pregnancy because I had nothing to do. I was not able to sleep. There was nothing happening. It was continuous, scripting was happening. Something is coming, something coming, something moving. So, but none of the books were able to answer the questions also. What is happening?
But here I have a question.
Hmm.
Uh, did anybody tell you that maybe you are overthinking? Because what you're saying can also
Hmm.
cross a certain threshold. What
Right.
may be healthy up to a certain threshold can
Hmm.
become also unhealthy
Hmm.
after, beyond a
Right.
limit. So
Right.
did anybody suggest you that why Ruchi you are doing kya kar rahe ho? Maybe you are overthinking. Let it go. Take it lightly. Take it easy.
No, because
No.
whatever was happening in my life, everybody knew that because I am a person. I never get stuck.
Mm,
Even you won't believe, the day I had my miscarriage, after half an hour of that thing happening, I was standing in the court for my marriage certificate.
mm, mm,
I have that level of pain threshold and I have that mindset. Nothing can stop me. That's what we were talking, just before the session about that
mm,
poetry. रुकना मेरी फितरत नहीं क्योंकि रुकना तेरी किस्मत नहीं. So that is imbibed in me. So
yeah,
nothing can stop me. So I never get stuck with any of the thought or any of the situation. But what was happening is the more I was trying to, you try to distract yourself, right?
yeah, yeah.
But it was coming back to you. So I would say I was not doing it, it was happening with me,
Mm,
right? And when something is happening with you, there is no other way
yeah.
than to try to understand what is happening with you, right? So there was no overthinking because I was not stuck. And जैसे जैसे मैं मूव कर रही थी वैसे वैसे जैसे जैसे मुझे आंसर्स मिलते चले जा रहे थे वैसे वैसे वो चीजें डिसॉल्व होती चली जा रही थी,
Right.
right? But I didn't know that this journey, which started as in understanding myself, going inward, what I am experiencing, to all those pains and why I'm experiencing, it turned out for me to become a researcher in the body consciousness, which I help people. I, researched not only what pains I was going through, but I researched about all those diseases, jinka doctors say that there is no cure. Either you have to have the medicine throughout your life, or either, you have to go for the surgeries or something. There are lots of things that doctors used to say, but that actually brought me to a point to do a PhD by myself without talking to anyone about the body consciousness. And nowadays people come to me for the problems which they don't have any solution anywhere, but they get the solution. They get free from all those things. So one thing that happened was that it the journey which started with my own body. So
Yeah.
that was the time when I started telling everyone, whatever you are experiencing, the divine had made you experience that. Why? Because you are meant to experience that and then learn from it and then deliver it, or bring all those nuggets to the rest of the world.
Yeah, that's why in the beginning of this episode, I said every setback becomes your strength.
Exactly.
So, I mean, I really want to highlight this for my audience, especially the females, because as females in India are so much suppressed. Everybody tells them, don't believe in yourself. Just there is a certain frame.
Hmm.
As a good girl, if you want to be labeled as a good girl, you have to fit in this frame.
The Hanji girl. You have
Hanji
to
girl.
say yes to everything.
Yes. Now it's 22, get married. Now it's 24, get this number
Right.
four. Right. So there is a certain pattern. If any girl wants to go left and right from that out of the frame, she's labeled as, with different terms.
A rebel.
So, तो रियली मतलब मैं आपके एग्जांपल से सारी जो यंग फीमेल्स हैं उनको यही बोलूंगा कि इफ यू वांट टू बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, take example from you, take inspiration from you, and but be honest. First decide what you want. Don't just कि आज ये ट्राई कर लिया फिर 2 दिन बाद कुछ और कर लिया फिर 3 दिन बाद कुछ और फिर नहीं. Find your purpose of life and then fight for it, because if you yourself will not fight for it, nobody else will do. right?
Nobody can live your life. Nobody can
Hmm.
get inside you. It's only you. So you really need to know about yourself, what you
Right.
really need and want.
So really, Ruchi, this is very, very nice knowing you. I think we talked about your journey. We talked about your transition to this healing that you are doing for the people. This current role that your current mission. Uh, Actually, I wanted to ask, what you are doing is quite unorthodox. It's not like this 9 to 5 job, and everybody would say, yeah, she's a very good girl because she's fitting in the frame. You jumped out of the frame. Actually, you broke the frame, I would say, completely.
Yeah. So I always say to everyone, I am 24/7 available, 365 days a week till the moment I am alive. And
Yeah,
they were like, don't you have any life? मैंने कहा, this is my life. And in
right.
this life, my entire family also exists. Everyone do exist. Though I also had certain challenges where I was not able to manage and balance, what is happening, because you know that that multi-dimension
Yeah.
traveling at actually is like, your harmony, your balance gets out, right?
Mm.
And when these things were happening, I had a 5-year-old girl, and then I was pregnant with my second one. So lots of things were there. I still remember for the very first time, because of all these things, I had to leave my kids. My son was just 1 year. He was on feed, but I had to leave him for 1 week with my
Mm.
husband, right? And I had also heard a lot of things, how you can just leave your 1-year-old kid. मैंने कहा, because he is the reason for me to be where I meant to be,
Mm.
because he started my journey. And if he is the reason, he is understanding that, and I don't care about anyone else,
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
right? He will be able to understand, he is understanding. And right now, if I am not in my right energies, I won't be able to give him or my kids the life they want, because मैं उनके साथ होकर भी उनके साथ नहीं हूँ. What's the point of that? And I
No,
can
no,
do
no,
that throughout my life.
right.
But if I am taking that 1 week for myself, after that 1 week, what I am going to give them throughout our
Mm.
life is, वो 1 week कभी exist नहीं करेगा उनके life में,
Yeah.
right? क्योंकि
So,
as you talk about the women, this is one very important thing, whether they feel it or not, but the society let them feel that they should feel guilty about it, what they are doing,
mhm. Yeah,
right?
even to tell somebody that I want to have this, whatever it could be aim, could be a pleasure, anything. The society puts some kind of a blame on them. So that's why I am a very strong supporter, because I think it has something to do with my education, which happened in Germany.
Right.
This is one of the country where there is no difference between genders.
Mm.
Even you, I mean, if you try to offer a girl in a train, let me help you with your luggage, she might feel
Right.
offended. Actually, rather than
Right.
being thankful, she might get
Right.
offended.
Right.
why why
Right.
should why should you do so?
Mm.
Because of that. And this is one country where young boy and young girl meet, they fall in love with each other. After 2 or 3 years, they decide that maybe we can have a harmonious life together.
Mm.
Then from that point onward, these two souls, they decide that let us start saving money. Our marriage will be like this, our honeymoon will be like this, we'll save some money for the furniture. So there is
Mm.
no, like the whole thing coming from girl's father, like in India mostly happens. So
Right.
that really affected me, and I
Mm.
left Germany maybe in 2007. Today is 2025. still
Mm.
still a lot of things are there, and I'm very thankful for
Mm.
for this country.
Talking, I want to add one more thing. So, yes, obviously, without your life partner support, you can never do that, right? So that trust and your that support from your life partner is very much important, which
Right.
I was blessed to have. Because even though there were questions in his mind that what is happening, why it is happening, none of us was aware of any of the
Mhm.
answers by that time. And people were telling me certain things, telling him certain things, that you are going to take care of the kids. Why?
Mm.
It's their kids also. No, it's not only mine.
Yeah.
It's ours. When it's ours, and what what's wrong in that if the father is actually spending a week with the kids? There is nothing wrong
Yes,
in
yes.
that. But this is also a very strong taboo, and there is like, why should it's the mother's responsibility? No. So it is for me, that communication with your life partner, that, you know, it creates the foundation of your own
Yes.
relationship with your partner, where you have that courage, you should have that courage.
Hmm.
Because फर्स्ट थिंग, जैसे हमारे हिंदू धर्म में बोलते हैं, शादियां ऊपर से तय होकर आती हैं. सो
Yes.
अगर वो तय होकर आती है, देन यू शुड हैव दैट ट्रस्ट इन दोज मैरिजेस, कि इफ दे हैव वी आर बीइंग टुगेदर, वी आर बाउंडेड टू बी टुगेदर. Here we need to nurture that bond by being honest with each other, by being true to each other and supporting each other.
Yes. नहीं रुचि, मेरा मेरा तो ये मानना है कि स्पेशली हस्बैंड वाइफ की रिलेशनशिप जो खासकर इंडिया में और फोकसिंग ऑन नॉर्थ इंडिया, लोग अपने रिलेशनशिप्स खराब कर लेते हैं. And I'm speaking
Because
from
of the
from
outsiders.
because outside. Me as a male, I should have my ego that my wife is controlled by me. You know, that ego, even if I don't want to control her, I want other certificate. Other people should give me a stamp that yes, Kamal is controlling his wife. That's kind of certificate that people want to search for. Thank God I came out of that trap. And
So
as
that
you were saying, yeah,
वो
क्योंकि जब
मेल
मेरे
ईगो बाहर
मेल
आना ही
ईगो
पड़ेगा.
नहीं, मेल ईगो आएगा, लेकिन इतना ज्यादा ना हो जाए कि वो आपकी लाइफ ही खराब कर दे. इसलिए
एग्जैक्टली.
बाहर वालों को बाहर रखना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉट बहुत बाहर वाले, काफी क्लोज
Yes,
वाले से
sir.
भी. हाँ.
Your family members,
Yes,
your
yes.
immediate family members sometimes interfere, and then you don't know where to go, what to say, and how to say, and to whom to say.
Right.
But even then, first thing, you need to be true to your own self, because that point of time, the very that I would say the breakthrough moment was, nobody was able to understand what is happening, because there was no proof for that.
Mm,
But I was at least aware what is happening in my body, what the hell I am going through
mm,
for no
mm.
reason. For
Yeah.
no reason,
Yeah.
right? So you need to actually accept your own self, that whatever is happening, it's your truth.
Mm,
You are not playing it in your mind. You cannot play things in your mind which are not existing. So it
mm.
is your truth. But हमें क्या कंडीशन किया जाता है, वही जैसे आपने बोला, ओवर थिंकिंग है, तुम ज्यादा सोच रहे हो,
No,
तुम
I
थोड़ा
was
टीवी
thinking,
देखना. हाँ.
this is my own opinion, yeah.
राइट
When I
राइट.
was reading your book,
हम्म.
when I was reading, around 35% I had read myself as a reader. I start making judgment. Why this girl is reading? Why this girl is thinking so much? Maybe she just needs a break and everything will do. This is, yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
blaming anybody. I'm
So no,
blaming
no,
myself.
not
Yeah.
blame. So
Yeah.
this is the mindset. You
Yeah.
are actually, you are hitting the point. That's what is there. कि हम conditioned हैं उस चीज के लिए, कि if you are going deeper into something, you are overthinking. But you are actually exploring the 360-degree aspects of that particular thing.
Yeah.
हमें सरफेस पे रहना सिखाया जाता है. हमें इसी चीज का, इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल है रिलेशनशिप्स. हर रिलेशनशिप्स ना एक सेट कोड ऑफ ऑनर, सेट ऑफ रूल से चल रहे हैं. ठीक है. उसके अंदर डेप्थ में, उस दैट इंटीमेसी, उसको कोई समझना ही नहीं चाहता है. और फिर ब्लेम आ जाता है, कंप्लेंट आ जाती है, एक जनरलाइज्ड स्टेटमेंट्स आ जाती हैं आपके ऊपर, कि आप ऐसे हैं, आप वैसे हैं. बट have you ever tried to go deeper and try to understand what is not working well? It's just the surface, and in the surface we keep on tapping on the water, ki okay, save me, save me, save me. You cannot be saved, because you have to dive a little deeper to get to know the how much is the depth from where it is coming. So that going into the depth, knowing your inner self with due respect, I was also being told, you start meditating, and I was like, what is meditating? So that was a myth that I felt. What is meditating? So whomsoever was telling me, okay, you start doing this. Okay, I will start doing this. So what you are telling me, bring your focus from this to this thing. So it's a temporary release, because for that particular time I brought my focus to this thing. I distracted myself. But the moment I shut it down, this will start happening all by itself. I'm not I'm not actually doing anything to that happen, but for this thing I am putting efforts,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So the
Right.
moment my efforts are like, you are आप सोने जा रहे हैं रात को, उस टाइम आप हर टाइम थोड़ा ना कुछ कर सकते हो. You are
Right.
going to sleep, and the moment you are not doing anything, these things start happening, tuck 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 tuck.
Yes. Yes.
What you are going to do,
Yes. Yes.
right? So it was the happening, and which brought me that's what, 3 a.m. I woke him up. There is nothing happening. Everything is, working temporary, and I am coming back to the same situation. I just want you to trust me. Right?
Hmm.
Right now, I have to take 10 steps ahead. Why? Because I have to go. I really don't know what is in there, but I
Hmm.
have to do it. I have to face it. And you won't believe, for the very first day on the surface, when I started diving deeper, I listed 35 fears.
Yeah, that brings me to the next one. Yeah, the
Beyond fear.
you beyond
Go
fear,
beyond fear. That's
and
where the beyond fear
also,
came.
yeah, and 2 weeks back you ran one workshop I saw in
Fear
Instagram,
to freedom.
from fear to
Yes.
freedom. Okay, so actually, Ruchi, I would ask question which will be a
Mm,
guiding force for everybody. That
yes.
you selected some path. Your mind said, "Let me pursue this path," because you think that the end of the tunnel there is a hope. What was that guiding force which really gave you this courage that you can continue? Because most of the people, they start, they listen to some motivational quote or some book, and then after 1 week they leave it. What kept you going on?
To be honest, there were uh, the two driving force. The very first one was my kids itself, because
Mm,
over that period of time, because my energy, my time was being, utilized somewhere else, which I was not aware of,
mm,
right? So I started missing my kids. I am a person who love kids, and they were my kids. They are my lifelines.
mm,
Okay,
mm,
without them I cannot live. And so, out of all those fears, the one fear that became my driving force, right? Because I was going through a lot of things, and I was aware, because before I stepped into this journey, I was spending a lot of time with my daughter, because I am a person who always used to say I love motherhood so much that I want to live every single moment of that.
mm,
So I became a parenting coach, because people used to come from my daughter's classroom कि how you are dealing with her, how you are handling her. हमारे बच्चे तो हमें समझ नहीं आते हैं, but she was performing extraordinary. So I
mm,
said, what I do, I just give him some love, and I just give him love. There is nothing else that I do. But in that love, we do have that level of communication where I am learning from her and she is learning from me.
mm,
So when in that 1 year, when everything was happening, and when I still remember, I can still go there actually, because I am a person who can astrally travel. So I went to I was in Chandigarh, and I went to Sukna Lake, and in the morning 4 a.m. I I woke up Kapil and said I have to go there. He said, how you are going to drive? मैंने कहा, I will drive, I just need to go. So leaving both the kids, one was almost 7 months old, and one was 5 years, and I went to the lake at 4 a.m. Sitting there, looking at the transition from the night toward the sunrise, because it's a very beautiful view from there. I listed 35 years, and I was not able to understand from where it is coming. But for me, since my childhood, it was coming from the moon and the stars. And but this time the sun was also there to shine, or shine bright and throw some light on what is happening in the darkness.
great, great.
Right? So the my biggest fear that became my driving force was मेरी बेटी मेरे जैसी ना बन जाए, या मेरी बेटी के साथ
Oh,
ऐसा कुछ ना हो जो मेरे साथ हो रहा है.
okay.
So it was a that shift that brought, which you can say आजकल के glamorous fancy spiritual word के अंदर generational trauma, and then ancestral things, and then there are so many words to that. But
Mm,
for a person like me who is very layman, जिसका दूर दूर तक इन सब चीजों से कोई लेना देना नहीं था. तो आज आज की डेट में भी द क्लासेस दैट आई डू, दे आर स्पेसिफिक टू योर लाइफ. वो रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर द बाई प्रोडक्ट. You just need to focus on what you can see. What you can see. You can see yourself. You can see your sphere, the people around you. You can see the society. And what from where your starting point is, आपको हर चीज जो एक्सपीरियंस होती है ना, वो भी आपको अपनी बॉडी में ही होती है. अपने यही फील होता है, यही पता चलता है ना कि कुछ है. सो मैं आज भी लोगों को भी वैसे ही सिखाती हूँ. वो सब जो चीजें हैं ना, they are the byproduct of when you start seeing yourself, when you start listening to your own self, when you start understanding your own self. And that's where, from this I, which is an identity of yours existence, you start shedding the layers of that I, and then you reach to that I. You start connecting with that I. Right?
Okay,
So that was the journey.
yes, as an actionable item, because
Hmm.
my listeners should not feel that okay,
Right.
this all thing is very good, very
Hmm.
flashy, and
Hmm.
very interesting and
Right.
very high level.
Right.
Let's talk about something which is at
Practical.
actionable level, right?
Right.
So me as
Right.
Kamal Vij, who has never
Hmm.
done anything self discovery, let's
Right.
say after this podcast,
Hmm.
I sit down by myself.
Hmm.
What practice, what suggestion you will give to me? Maybe I sit with a pen and paper.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the very first thing you should
Mhm.
start with, because there is no other way you can see yourself. The easiest way to see yourself is go in front of the mirror.
Hmm.
See yourself. Just keep
Okay.
seeing yourself, and then take the note of what you saw. You know, हमारी आई का एक मूवमेंट होता है, यहाँ जाएगा, वैसे वो लेफ्ट टू राइट जाता है. बट आपने कभी नोटिस किया हो कि कभी किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज को आप देख रहे हो ना, the very prominent thing grabs your attention first, then the second, then the third, then the fourth. See yourself and make a note of everything that you saw and be true to yourself. You have to write everything the way you saw, and when you were seeing that, what was the thought, the label, the description that was coming. You will get to know a lot of about yourself which you had never acknowledged.
Yes, because I think 99% people, they are looking at the goal that within 5 years I want to be there, within three
Now
years, but they don't know from where they are starting. So without
they don't know
knowing
where they are
that,
standing.
yeah, they
Right.
don't know the starting point, but they're looking at the goal. So nobody can
Exactly.
measure the distance.
So
This is very good.
they say, so
Yeah.
the programs that I run, so people say, I always tell them, मैंने कहा, my purpose is to bring out the maximum potential from you, because everyone is full of that potential. The program unveil the inner you, the extraordinary you, right? But you know, एक जो कहते हैं मजे की बात क्या है, we all are extraordinary, but we are not aware of that. For what you are
Yes.
not aware of, how you can use that,
Right.
right? So you already have that limitless potential, but you had never took a moment to see yourself.
Yeah.
Until and unless you are not seeing yourself, how you would be able to know what potential you have and what you can do with that potential? For that you need that awareness.
Yeah.
So the very first step is see yourself, क्योंकि thoughts बाद में ऑब्जर्व होंगी. इसको देखना बहुत आसान है, बॉडी को. एंड योर बॉडी इज व्हाट, आउटसाइड इज जस्ट द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ इनसाइड. हम क्या बोलते हैं, हम एनर्जी पार्टिकल से बने हैं. तो ये कैसे शेप हो रही है? ये शेप हो रही है व्हाट इज इनसाइड, उससे. हमारी बचपन से लेके आज तक एक असेंस रहता है, बट आवर बॉडी कीप्स चेंजिंग.
Yes. Yes.
Our body keeps changing. Our body keeps telling us that change is inevitable. It's happening every now. But how many of us had ever experienced going beyond that conditioning to understand how much we have changed since our childhood to that we're still carrying the same beliefs? And we are operating on the same beliefs. We are operating at the same frequency. Everything is changing in our life, but we are still the same. The belief that we had made in initial 10 years of our life, that too, which are not ours, borrowed hai.
Yeah, they were given. Yeah, they were
They
imposed
are
on us
borrowed.
from. Yeah.
Yeah, so they are
Right.
borrowed. And you were not ever being told by anyone कि okay, now you are an adult. हम 18 plus की बात करते हैं, but how many of us tell our kids when they turn 18, baby, now it's time for you to see yourself set your own beliefs, set your own rules, set your own things. You are free to do everything. Nobody.
Yes.
Even
Nobody.
after in our India, what is the thing? Till the time you are getting married, irrespective 25, 28, 30, 40,
Yes.
till the time you are getting married,
I
you are
will.
being
Yes.
controlled.
Yes. I will
You
tell you
don't have that
two.
freedom.
I'll tell you two
Hmm.
examples of exactly what you said.
Right.
First example. I know many people who do. I'm an engineering background, so they finished their bachelor of engineering, B.Tech or B, as you can see, Bachelor of Technology or Bachelor of
Hmm.
Engineering, B.
Right.
They finish their engineering and then they come to us, Bhaiya, should I do MBA or should I do MTech? After spending 4
बीटेक क्यों किया?
years, yes, after
Yes.
spending नहीं किया क्योंकि बड़े भाई ने बोला था, चाचा ने बोला था, किसी ने वो तो ठीक
Right.
है, बीटेक किया नो प्रॉब्लम, उसके बेचारे की गलती नहीं थी, लेकिन बीटेक इज ए 4 years प्रोफेशनल कोर्स, मतलब लोगों
हाँ,
का सपना होता था मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर इंजीनियर
ये
बन
ग्रो
जाए.
नहीं हो रहा ना.
That is
हाँ.
not growing. That was the first example. I'm just telling how poor the education system in India is. They may be studying digital signal processing and antennas and microwave and many things they must be studying, but those subjects are not helping them in making a qualified engineer. I'm not talking about technical skills. Technical skills today nowadays, I can send my team members to any training for 1 week, and within 1 week they can learn it. No problem. The problem is character. What kind of character you are building in an engineer, and this is engineer which is very respectable degree, you know. मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बन जाए, मतलब लोगों का सपना होता था. That is
Right.
first example. Second example, I was recently married. I was going from my town to my mother-in-law's town. On the way, we stopped. Me and my wife, we stopped at some mall, and we were having a burger. I think it was McDonald's or KFC or
Hmm.
something.
Right.
And right next to us, there was a family, 4 5 from one party, 4 5 from a different party. So the two,
Got it.
yeah, two parties from
Matchmaking.
matchmaking was ongoing, and they were seeing. So when this boy, the main candidate, this guy wanted to go and order at the screen. The father of that boy went with the boy. So at that time, my wife just stood up and she talked to this father that your son is not ready to get married.
Yeah.
You guys are
She is holding
not.
the hand.
Yes, she was having this courage. She told that no, this boy is not ready for getting married. If he cannot order McDonald's burger by himself, he has much bigger choices to make after marriage. So please
Exactly.
think. I mean, so see, this is the kind of.
Nee, that's a beautiful story, and I really appreciate, ma'am, that she,
uh,
everybody should have that courage.
yeah, that is
And in
good about
fact,
my.
not only,
Yeah.
anyone else should have that courage, that the person itself should have that courage to
Yeah.
speak for themselves, that okay, now I want to take my decision, that I want to. So it's not about rebel, it's more
Yes.
about knowing, but they don't know themselves.
No, they know, but because of the respect of the
Yeah.
parents, or like because I come from a
Hmm.
Punjabi family.
Hmm.
Okay, being a Hindu, I don't go so much to temple. I mostly go to Gurdwara. This is like the family.
Right.
Yeah, this is the
Hmm.
religious belief we have in our
Hmm.
tradition. So I know many people from my community, my city. They say that हम कुंडली में नहीं मानते.
Hmm.
कुंडली में नहीं मानते, लेकिन क्योंकि वो XYZ person in the family wants to match the kundli, let's go for it. नहीं,
Hmm.
then you are completely contradicting yourself in one statement.
Right.
You are contradicting yourself 360%. नहीं मानते तो नहीं मानते, मानते हैं तो
मानते
पूरा
हो तो
मानते हैं.
मानते हो.
I'm not saying who is right, who is wrong, not into that debate, but I'm
So
just saying that
ऐसे ही रहता
believing
है ना
yourself.
ड्युअलिटी में, धर्म संकट.
Yeah, you cannot just make everybody happy. I think we Indians, we have a problem of making everybody happy. We try to make everybody happy. Okay, let us think
And the
about
line that you said, making everyone happy, you yourself become the most unhappy person
right.
of your
This is the
life.
secret formula for being unhappy. Nobody knows
Yeah.
the formula for being
Secret formula,
happy.
yes. Secret ingredient of being unhappy is like, by see, दूसरों को खुश करने में आप अपने आप को मारते चले जाते हैं, and
Right.
you are not aware of that.
Hmm.
The worst part is you are not aware of that. That what you are
Same
doing
thing
to
that we are.
yourself.
Yeah, the same thing that we are talking about, the social life, दूसरों को खुश करना. In corporate life, this means saying no. or defining a
Right.
scope. This is my
Right.
scope. Beyond this scope, I don't care, even if the company collapses tomorrow.
Right.
This sounds like very bad. That beyond this scope, I will not do anything,
Hmm.
and I don't care what happens. But
Hmm.
at the end of the day, that is sometimes good to define
Yeah.
your
So
area.
it is more or less like everything is revolving around you,
Hmm.
right? You are the epicenter. If the epicenter will crash, will anything exist? No.
No.
So for everything to exist, be it relation, be it career, be it job, or be it money, or be it anything, you
Hmm.
need to exist. If
Yeah.
you are yourself are not existing, nothing will exist.
Yeah.
And it is equivalent to, before death you are literally dead.
Hmm.
Because आप exist ही नहीं कर रहे. I have seen specifically in the women case, they know about everyone, what they like, how they don't like, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. You ask them,
What do
they
you
won't be
like?
able to tell even a single thing about themselves what they like.
Yeah.
अच्छा ये कपड़ा पहनना है, दिस इज ऐसे ही पहन के जाना होता है यहाँ पे. आप क्या पहनना चाहते हो वो तो भूल ही गए हैं.
हाँ,
और
बिल्कुल.
अगर बोलेंगे भी तो भी डर लगता है वो बोलने में कि
Yes. Yes.
मुझे ये पसंद है. क्यों? जज हो जाएंगे हम. तो यहाँ जजमेंट आ जाता है. एंड देन आपका वही लोग क्या कहेंगे.
लोग क्या कहेंगे? You will go out of frame again.
यस.
Yes. No, this is very serious problem. Actually, yes, this
सो
very
इसके लिए
nice
ना
point.
मेरे पास बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं और उनका सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन यही आता है. मतलब अगर कोई हीलिंग कराने भी आता है ना, दे आर लाइक किसी को पता तो नहीं चल जाएगा.
Hmm.
मैंने कहा अगर किसी को पता भी चल गया, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो तो सबको ढिंडोरा पीट के बताते हो ना डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे हो.
Hmm.
व्हाई कांट यू सी द हीलिंग थिंग एज थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाना एक बहुत बड़ा टैबू है क्योंकि वहां लगता है
Yes.
पागल है.
Hmm. Hmm.
ठीक है.
Right.
बट इट इज नॉट दैट. इट इज लाइक वो थेरेपिस्ट क्या कर रहा है, वो आपको एक सेफ स्पेस दे रहा है जहाँ पे एक जजमेंट फ्री एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर आप वो बोलते हो जो आप किसी के सामने नहीं बोल पा रहे हो. दैट्स व्हाट द थेरेपिस्ट डू. उस
Hmm.
काउंसलिंग सेशन में क्या होता है?
Yes.
दे
Yes.
लेट
You
यू
have to
स्पीक.
open up. Yeah.
Yes, they let you speak and they know you are not able to and you can never hurt anyone and you don't want to say any of these things to anyone because you don't meant you literally not meant any of those.
Hmm.
But it is in your system, it needs a vent out.
देखिए, आप जो बोल रहे हैं उसको just to reinforce, I would
Hmm.
just give an example. When we go to buy these glasses, we go
Hmm.
to buy new glasses to the optometrist,
Hmm.
who is just telling us the power of our glasses. This guy simply doesn't, when you walk in, he doesn't say, हाँ ये number आपको suit करेगा, this will be good for you. No, he gives you chance. How is this lens? How is this lens? Is it better? Is it so? This same thing happens in the session,
Hmm.
in your sessions, right? So we have to let other people open up, speak, and then you'll be able to help them. But if while speaking, if they say that even my therapist or my healer will judge me, I'm sure
Hmm.
there will be many people who would be saying that, because it's a big stigma. And so what do you suggest for the people like corporate
Hmm.
employees? Because
Hmm.
we have not addressed those. Most of my audience happy not just reaches the people having good salaries but not happy. So let's address those people, let's say somewhere in the range of 30 to 45,
Hmm.
in corporate employees having
Hmm.
good fancy titles, good
Hmm.
cars, financially stable,
Hmm.
but not happy.
So what is missing actually? The question
Hmm.
is what is missing?
Yeah.
Why they are not happy? So as you said, they have everything
Yeah.
what the society and what a set of rules had told them they should have. That's when they are successful.
Hmm.
They have their success which was being told or
Hmm.
which is like it's a societal norm ki this is what the success looks like,
Hmm.
right? But why they are not happy? So people do come to me from the corporate background also. They are missing the meaning of their life. They are doing everything for the sake of doing it,
Hmm.
for the sake of completing the responsibilities, for the sake of fulfilling the needs and the wants of their family,
Hmm.
you know
Yes.
but
Yes.
the meaning is missing.
Hmm. Correct.
Now the question is what is the meaning of life? Because the word that I am using ऐसे तो बहुत छोटा सा है meaning,
Meaning.
क्या है
Yes, yes.
मतलब क्या है जिंदगी का? क्या यही मतलब है पैदा हो, ठीक है, स्कूल पे धक्के खाओ, प्रेशर लो, प्रेशर कुकर बन जाओ
Mhm.
मार्क्स के लिए उसके बाद कॉलेज जाओ, फिर है ना शादी करनी है, जॉब करनी है, ये करना है, और आज भी मैं उसी प्रेशर कुकर में रहता हूँ, ढक्कन
Mm.
बंद है उसका,
Yes.
ठीक है, मैं आज
Yes.
भी
So,
उसी प्रेशर में हूँ। इवन आफ्टर अचीविंग एवरीथिंग, देयर इज नॉट इवन अ सिंगल मोमेंट वेयर आई कैन से सिट लाइक दैट आई एम ब्रीदिंग।
hmm. वो कहते हैं ना कि if you don't like your job, take a home loan. Right? Because 25 days, 20 days, you'll be feeling very bad about your life. But then you realize, oh, 5 तारीख को I have to pay the EMI for my home loan. So then you start liking your job again. Okay.
Yes. So
And
it is
also,
like that. So life become monotonous for them. वही रूटीन है, वही सब कुछ है, वही ईयरली वेकेशंस है, वही ईयरली फैमिली गैदरिंग्स है, सब कुछ है.
yes,
Life is perfect. Life seems
yes.
perfect. But beneath that, the meaning is missing.
When,
What is that meaning? Yeah, please.
no, please, sorry.
No.
Carry on.
So it's
The
more
meaning.
about, that meaning itself is very meaningful because it is different for every individual.
राइट, यही मैं बोलना चाह रहा था अभी जब मैं आपको मतलब इंटरप्ट कर रहा था कि जब मैं ये पॉडकास्ट व्हेन आई वाज प्लानिंग फॉर दिस पॉडकास्ट सेटअप एंड दिस होल कैंपेन, माय आइडिया वाज दैट आई एम कमल विज, आई एम currently 45 year old, I'm a telecom engineer, I used to be a telecom trainer, now I am blah 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 blah, there is a certain thing, okay, about me. Let's say when I retire or I leave the world, when I go from here, how people are going to remember me. And just doing this what I'm doing is not sufficient, I know, and I also don't want to be remembered like that. Right, my grandfather, he had a very good social value in our community. My father is very active, helping people, doing social life, so he will also be remembered in a very good way. God give him good life, good health. But I know that when my father will go, people will remember him as a good man, as a helpful man. But what am I doing here? Selfish guy. Yeah, just chasing money, just chasing the norms set by society, collecting everything for what is selfishness here? What I'm giving back to the society? Nothing. So that time I decided that this podcast, I don't have any financial, what do you say?
Sources or
Yeah,
no?
I don't have any
But that,
motivation to make any financial gains from this. But if I can touch some lives,
hmm,
it will be good. At my own life also, by the way, I'm finding more
hmm.
meaning. Everybody who's coming to my show is teaching me one or two small lessons, and most of the times I'm trying to implement that into my leadership skills in my company and my relationship with my wife, my relationship with my son. So this I think this is a very big gain. I'm
Yes,
trying to improve myself and I'm helping others in improving their lives also. So that could be something I would say is my mission. I have found it.
right.
I'm very happy.
So with this mission, I want, it is a question for everyone, right? But because I am talking to you, so I am asking this question to you,
Hmm.
right? When you were telling this story, which is really inspirational because you started doing, because I know how you are doing it, you know, full day job and then the full night you are going about all these things because you are
Yes.
passionate about this thing.
Right.
Now I want to give your story another edge, another
Okay.
corner. Okay? And what is that? You said, whenever I'll be going, you know, how would the world is going to remember me?
Hmm.
It's a bigger picture. I want you to answer me when it's time for you to go, how you want to remember yourself and to carry that impression with you in the next life or
Hmm.
wherever you are going. So again, we are doing it for the society. But again,
Hmm.
self चला गया ना फिर से.
Right, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. I completely agree with you. My focus also outwards because again
Yes.
I'm looking for a good stamps, good
So to be, yeah,
certificates,
labels. So to be
good labels.
honest, it is like That's what we are conditioned for.
That's
Whatever you
true.
need to do,
Very
it's for
naturally.
everyone. And serving the society, I am telling you, sir, that serving the society, serving your sphere is the outcome and byproduct of when you start serving yourself. And to be honest, with this podcast, you are actually serving your own self. That void is getting filled. That
Yeah.
passion which is bringing that energy that you are in while you are doing it. So you are serving yourself. And I
Mm.
always say, heal yourself and work on yourself. The rest of the world will be taken care. That's what is happening in your case also.
Mm.
You are doing it for yourself,
That's true. That's true.
right? But
That's true.
the outcome is the word is also getting served with that.
Yeah.
So it just देखने का angle बदला है हमने, but
Right.
that will help you understand the potential and why you are doing it. So the biggest why is, whatever you do, we all are very selfish.
Mm.
Whatever we do it for ourselves.
Yeah.
Whatever is happening around that is the byproduct of what that self had become.
Mm. Very good. Yes, I will think about it. I
Mm.
cannot give the answer right now. I don't want to be, but I
But
really
I
need to
think
think.
it is within my boundaries. I asked the right question because it is for everyone to understand. Because उसमें क्या होता है, एक बहुत important चीज है ये. By the end, people come. I had been with people of 70 years of age, and they were coming and they were telling me, मैंने पूरी जिंदगी सबके लिए सब कुछ किया, मुझे क्या मिला?
Mm.
And I was telling him, आपने जो कुछ किया वो आपने अपनी खुशी के लिए किया. आपने जो कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस किए, बिकॉज उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे आपको वो कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस ही आपके लिए ठीक लग रहे थे और आपकी फैमिली के लिए ठीक लग रहे थे, एंड दैट वाज गिविंग यू दैट पीस एट
That
दैट टाइम.
piece. Yes. Yeah, you are doing your duties, so you are fitting in the
एंड
frame.
आप मत करते. आपको किसी ने जबरदस्ती करी? नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
किसी ने फोर्स किया? नहीं. यू डिड एवरीथिंग बाय योर चॉइस. अगर आप नहीं बोले, ठीक है, तो आप नहीं बोले. किसी ने मुंह पे हाथ नहीं रखा था. वो कंडीशनिंग थी. यू कुड गो बियॉन्ड दैट फियर.
Right.
So that's the whole, it's in consolidated. We all have fears, ठीक है, and because वो हमारे अंदर है fears, हम उनको acknowledge नहीं कर रहे हैं. So I always tell everyone, you have two eyes. Keep both the eyes on yourself.
Mm.
So from that thing, because lots many people come, be it women. I was also at that stage where I used to say, I am doing everything. What I am
Mm.
getting in return. That there was that mindset because we were being conditioned to do it for others, to give others. But we always feel our hands are empty.
And it hurts when you hear it from your own children. Especially the educated housewives, because of any reason, pregnancy, family pressure, somebody is sick in the family, whatever
Yes.
could be the reason. For every person, the struggle is different.
Right.
Whatever reason, that
Mm.
educated woman is wasting her education, throwing it in
Mm.
the dustbin,
Later
sacrificing
in
her.
life, it will come
Yeah.
to her.
But the kids for whom she left all her dreams, when
They are
they
very
grow
vocal.
up, they themselves will say, "Mummy, आपने किया ही क्या है हमारे लिए?" It
Exactly.
hurts so much, when
Mm.
these ladies will hear, it will hurt so much.
But look at the other angle. The kids are helping that lady to realize what
Mm.
choices you made for yourself. Why didn't you think about yourself also? Why didn't you ever sit and talk to yourself what you really want to do? Because
Okay,
then
this
there
is
are
good,
ways to do.
but it's too late now. The lady is already
Yes,
52, 53-year-old now.
exactly.
The kids are
Yes.
teenage. They don't
Mm.
care. They don't,
So that
so.
hurt, they are carrying it. They are wounded. And what they are going to take along with them, you know,
Yeah.
that hurt. So that is why that is the most important question to ask. How, whenever it's time to go, what is that I want to carry with me? Because
Mm.
कुछ नहीं जाएगा. जो लोग आपको यहाँ पे याद करेंगे ना, वो कुछ टाइम करेंगे, अच्छा कहेंगे, बुरा कहेंगे, but that's not going to impact you. What is going to be with you? The impression that you are having and creating for your own self.
Mm.
And past life regression होता है, उसमें यही तो आती हैं चीजें. The soul that they, the impressions, the pains, that, or the revengeful feeling and all those things, the karma thing, what they
Yeah.
are carrying, what they are taking from that life at the point of their death, that is what they are carrying, and that is forming the karmic loops, that forming the karmic cycles.
Yeah.
So the real thing
True.
is understanding that it's all about you, and if you take care of yourself,
Everything else will be taken care of.
entire world will be taken care by you, through you, because nothing will happen because of you.
Actually, Ruchi, you are a researcher. You are constantly learning. So I would recommend you to check one episode. I think episode number 7, just before this one. It's
Hmm.
a yogi. He was a
Yeah,
corporate. Yeah. So he
I
it
had
will.
heard half. It's yet
Yeah.
to complete, so I am
It.
listening to that.
Yes. Yes. And believe
It's
me,
that.
what is in my podcast is just
Hmm.
tip of the iceberg.
Hmm.
This gentleman, this person, Brahm Rishi Abhijit, he has a
Yes.
lot to offer. Lot to offer,
Yes.
and
Hmm.
that is just touching the tip of the iceberg. What is in my
Hmm.
this? Please check out, and really you will like it.
Definitely. I am
Yes.
already onto it. It's half done.
Mm.
Rest half, I'll do it today itself.
Thank you. Okay, so now I would again look in my podcast. It's good to talk, but I try to bring every question to
Yes.
actionable
Right.
guidance.
Hmm.
So we talked about the corporate employees, how
Hmm.
they can find meaning for their purpose, and once
Hmm.
they start doing it, all this paying EMIs and paying bills, this will become like
Hmm.
side business. Good.
Right.
Now let's talk about self-doubting women,
Hmm.
women who are educated, young girls, or I mean, women in general, women
Hmm.
self-doubting. How would you? Because I really respect you. You moved from Chandigarh to Canada, from entrepreneurship to this self
God knows
healing.
where.
God
God
knows
knows
again.
where.
Yes, I know you will not stop. You will keep on going.
God knows
Yeah.
where.
You are an author, you are a podcaster, you are a social media, digital content creator, you are a healer, you are therapist. Uh, so I just want to tell the people that you believed in yourself and you achieved it. How would you recommend, what advice you'll give to the self-doubting women? How they
Hmm.
can be strong?
Okay. So I have to go a little technical, very little. Okay. So the self doubt. First of all, we all need to understand the self doubt doesn't come just like that.
Mm.
It's a gradual process. And how it happened, when you are doing something and you are continuously got the criticism for that.
Hmm.
You are doing good things. You did your best, right? But instead of knowing and believing that you did your best, you buy what they say,
Yes.
right? So there is a very small beautiful story. It was about Sushmita Sen. So that
Hmm.
really touched my heart, and it will be, जिन्होंने देखी है वो उन्होंने देखी है, जिन्होंने नहीं देखी, they would be able to resonate. So what happened is, like, Sushmita Sen told that one day she got a call from her daughter's school, right? And they said your daughter had, hurt a boy with the pencil in the eye, which is very
Hmm.
dangerous. So she went running there, and then she asked her what happened. She said that boy was, playing with my skirt. I said no. He didn't stop. फिर Sushmita Sen asked her what you did next. I said I kept telling him stop it, don't do it. He didn't listen. I said, well, then what you did? I told ma'am, the class teacher, what happened. She said that she told him not to do it. She stopped doing that. Then she asked, then what happened that pricked that pencil into his eyes? मतलब- so she said it was an accident. I was actually trying to hit on the arm, but he just turned back, so it hit near the eye. Said what happened? So before that, she said just go and say sorry to him.
Hmm.
Okay, so she made her, you know, go and say sorry. She said sorry, but she was very angry and asking her, whatever you had taught me till now, to raise your voice, to speak your truth. आज आपने वो सब खत्म कर दिया. I am
Yes.
very
Yes.
angry on you. So the story continued, and she said, you stopped him. You were right. You didn't react it. You were doing the right thing. You told ma'am it was the right thing. Then what happened? Then what happened is, like, that boy called her daughter idiot.
Hmm.
She said he called me idiot, and that's why when I did that, and I didn't meant to hurt his eyes. It was just to prick it on the arm to let him know stop it
Hmm.
again, because my words were not sufficient. Then Sushmita Sen asked her, "Are you an idiot?" She said, "No." "Then why you bought that?" "Because you reacted for that idiot." And that's what comes with the self doubt. They keep on listening to, they know they did their best. And everybody in every now is doing their best. अगर वो उससे अच्छा कर सकते तो वो करते ना. आपने कभी
करते.
किसी इंसान को देखा है कि वो जानबूझ के छोड़ दे किसी चीज को बीच में?
Yes.
नहीं. पेरेंटिंग है, शादी है, मतलब स्पेशली विमेन, वो जब अपना घर छोड़कर आते हैं ना, दे इन्वेस्ट देमसेल्व्स फुल्ली.
Hmm.
क्योंकि उन्हें पता है, वो उस माइंडसेट के साथ आती है. और हमारे हिंदू उसके अंदर ना, हमारे इंडियन कल्चर के अंदर लड़कियों को बचपन से सिखाई जाती हैं ये चीजें.
नहीं,
बीइंग द हांजी
आप
गर्ल.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. और एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ रियल लाइफ का
हम्म.
इसका.
हम्म.
हम दोनों रेस्टोरेंट जाते हैं, आप और मैं, यू एंड
हम्म.
मी, रुचि एंड मी,
हम्म.
लाइक
हम्म.
टू फ्रेंड्स गोइंग.
हम्म.
ओके, आई
हम्म.
वी गो टुगेदर. तो आई सेड, रुचि क्या खाएंगे? So let's see anything.
हम्म.
Okay, no, no, no. You decide. I will give menu to you. You would say, let's say, let us order veg biryani.
हम्म.
Okay. First, I said, Ruchi, please tell me what we want to order, and you decided from your best veg biryani, and you said,
Yes.
no, 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 veg biryani, no, no. So
Hmm.
that is where the self doubt starts coming from these kind
Exactly.
of episodes, because
Exactly.
I gave you the trust
Hmm.
to decide the menu. You decided, and
Hmm.
then I said, no, this is not good enough. That means your best is not good enough, and that's where the self doubt starts building up,
Exactly.
especially with
And
girls.
especially with women, it started happening, you know, more after marriage,
Hmm.
right? And when the kid happened, right, उस point of time पे तो लंका लग जाती है, because वो कुछ भी कर लेंगे, they will never be able to achieve that tag of a good mother.
Yes.
कुछ ना कुछ there will always be. And but they know na what they are doing, what the hell they are investing to their kid. Nobody
Yes.
knows, बोलना बड़ा आसान है. So I have a message for every woman. जैसे सबके लिए बोलना बड़ा आसान है ना, आपके लिए सुनना आसान हो जाना चाहिए, और वो आके बाहर निकल जाना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट फॉर यू. वो उन लोगों के लिए है, क्योंकि आई डू अंडरस्टैंड, जो जो ये हमारे हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में जो बड़े बुजुर्ग भी ये सब चीजें बोलते हैं, जो ये लोग बोलते हैं ना, दे ऑल्सो हैव हर्ड those things and they are also wounded. वो खुद भी wounded हैं, इसीलिए उनके मुंह से जो शब्द निकल रहे हैं वो सामने वाले को और पेन ही दे रहे हैं. बट इमेजिन, अगर कहीं तो ब्रेक लगाना पड़ेगा ना. So you put the brake. If you are aware, if you are educated, use that education to put that brake to those wounded people, telling you and transferring that wounds and pain to you and creating that self doubt and degrading your self image,
Yeah.
because you are doing your best.
आई थिंक मेरा इसमें एक एडवाइस रहेगा.
Hmm.
इस सेम जो आप बोल रहे हैं उसमें एक चीज और
Hmm.
मैं ऐड करूंगा, एंड
Hmm.
रीइंफोर्स करने के लिए.
Hmm.
हमें स्पेशली यंग गर्ल्स को अराउंड 12 13 14 जो है, उनको ये बोलना पड़ेगा, ये सिखाना पड़ेगा, स्टार्ट टेकिंग योर ओन डिसीजन
Hmm.
and stick to it and hold the
Yes.
responsibility for it. I mean,
Yes.
because you will take decision according to your
Yes.
best knowledge, best experience,
Hmm.
whatever you have
Hmm.
made life experiences.
Right. Right.
We are here to guide you if something is going wrong. In spite of our warning, if you're going for this one, be ready for the consequences. Once we
Exactly.
tell them that this is your choice, you made this choice, and whatever will come after this, be ready to handle it. This should be the case
Yes.
also in the marriage. This could be in the career,
Exactly.
everything.
Hmm.
मुझे कल ही किसी का फोन आया था. They were asking me that I have three options, 1 2 3, which stream I should choose.
Hmm.
And this boy has just passed 12th standard and now he's going into graduation.
Hmm.
तो मैंने नहीं दिया आंसर. उसका इसलिए एक रीजन ये था कि because I never talked to that boy so far. I mean, about this topic, I've never talked to him. Second, this was not my field also. That was also technical
Right.
reason. I said I guided them to the
Hmm.
to the much better person who is more related to this one.
Hmm.
लेकिन आप उस बच्चे की जिसकी हम जिंदगी डिसाइड करने जा रहे हैं, उससे कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है कि क्या करना है. This is where
Right.
self doubts start coming.
Exactly. So in that case, I would like to add a small story. So I was, and my family was being very blessed. So when we were into our, that zone, ninth के बाद जब हमें decide करना है आप किस तरफ जाना है, साइंस में जाना है 10th के बाद. So my father used to tell me one thing. So we are two sisters. So I was the one who used to do all the outside वाले बाहर के काम करके आना है, कुछ भी लेकर आना है तो I'll be going, and she was the one who was taking care of the household chores. So I he was the one, he always said, go, डरना नहीं है, जाओ तुम, ठीक है. बट आई नो वो छत से ना देख रहे होते थे. He kept an eye, but he gave us the freedom to do it. And same thing happened when we have to choose for options what we need to do. I opt for IT, another versatile thing that added to my crown. I opted for IT. I joined the college. I attended for classes for good 10 days in the college. And 10th day I came home telling my dad,
This is not for me.
मुझसे नहीं होगा. I cannot do it. I cannot sit on the system. I am a person of, creativity. I cannot be there throughout essay. I can't do that. Next day, we went for the second counseling, and that's where, I gave my first wings, where I entered into the fashion and apparel. I did join that, and, I got the second last seat. And there were only 25 seats at that time.
And
And
I
it
think
was
you
again a
made a good
magic.
choice, because this field gave you because you are a creative person.
Yes.
This stream gave you the wings or outlet to show your creativity. Otherwise,
Yes.
I think it would
But
not
at
have been.
that point of time, my father chose to give me that freedom. And same thing, because we had learned that my daughter, when she turned 2.5, right, I started giving her freedom, and I literally get a lot of criticism. You know, तुम मुझसे बहुत बात करती हो, तुम मुझसे इतना बताती हो, तुम उसको इतना करती हो, तुम मुझसे इतनी फ्रीडम देती हो, कल को तुम्हें पता चलेगा. By the time she was 3, she is. She choose her own clothes. She choose what to eat. She choose what not to eat. She choose where she wants to go, where she is comfortable, where she is not comfortable. So we are building that foundation. And आजकल तो आप देखेंगे तो यही चीजें, like it started with very small 5 years 6 years से आपके इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस के कोर्सेज स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं बच्चों के, right? Because people are getting aware, because they don't want to get the things repeated which they had gone through, and now they are learning and unlearning and learning the things at the age of 35 40. They don't want their kids to go through that.
Okay.
So that shift is already happening in the mindset of the society, where with due respect, because the parents are the bridge. अभी जो हमारे एज के लोग हैं ना, हमारी जनरेशन जो है, दे आर द ब्रिज. उनके जो आगे वाले बच्चे हैं और जो उनके पेरेंट्स हैं, इसमें बहुत बड़ा गैप है, राइट? बट दे नीड टू बी दैट ब्रिज जहाँ पे वो संस्कार भी ट्रांसफर होने चाहिए, जो अच्छी चीजें हैं वो भी देनी है.
संस्कार भी, और मैडम वो भी लेसन लर्न भी. जैसे बड़े बुजुर्ग कहते हैं, यार दोस्तों को पैसा मत दो, है ना?
जो
मेरा एक
विजडम
दोस्त,
उनके पास है ना,
बिल्कुल,
वो उन्होंने बहुत सालों की उनकी वो है, एक्सपीरियंस है उनके, वो भी ट्रांसफर करने हैं.
जैसे से बाल सफेद हो रहे हैं, अब समझ में आ रहा है
कि सही बोलते थे,
सही बोलते
जो बोलते थे वो सही बोलते थे.
राइट.
वो पर लेकिन हम वो है ना, जब तक खुद से गलतियां नहीं करेंगे तब तक सीखेंगे नहीं. तो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज है, तो मैं हमेशा सबको बोलती हूँ, माय मॉम यूज्ड टू से, इंसान वो जो अपनी गलतियों से तो सीखे, पर दूसरों की गलतियों से भी ना अपने आप उसको सीख के बचा ले.
यस यस यस.
So
इसलिए
that is
मतलब
that.
हाँ, ठीक है, यंग जनरेशन, मेरा बिकॉज आई एम अ फादर, आई एम अ मेल, सो मेरा डिसिप्लिन बच्चे को एडुकेट करने का तरीका थोड़ा सा हार्ड है, बिकॉज गुड कॉप बैड कॉप in my family. Of
That's
course, for my son, mother
That's
is a good
required.
cop, I am
Value
the
कैसे
bad
होगी?
cop. Right? So mother is a good cop, I am bad cop. So we have that role to play.
मेजोरिटी मदर्स जो है ना, मतलब लड़कों के केस में ऐसे ही रहता है, लड़कियों के केस में उल्टा हो जाता है.
लड़कियों के
पापा
केस में
बिकम द गुड कॉप.
पापा will be spoiling the daughter, yeah, and mother will be saying
Yeah. So you
yes.
will, if you ask me ever, I'll have all the stories with my dad.
Good. Okay, very good. So we talked a lot about everything.
Yes. So
And
I'll consolidate that self-doubt part. So it is more about the self-doubting thing, where they should learn to listen and they should learn to believe कि उन्होंने अपना 100% दिया है उस मोमेंट में. अगर कोई क्रिटिसाइज या कोई कुछ बोल रहा है, they should take it as not as a hurt, but as in कि अच्छा, I give my 100% this time, but my 100% can be more next time. This is the mindset shift, जहाँ पे आपको वो हर्ट नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि वो वर्ड्स तो आप तक आ ही रहे हैं. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट बॉडी कॉन्शियसनेस, आपका माइंड शायद उसको मास्क कर देगा, भूल जाओगे आप थोड़े दिनों के बाद. योर बॉडी कीप्स द स्कोर. Your body is keeping all those words which are just which work like a poison to your body. because
Right.
they are unprocessed. They are unprocessed and they are on your body. Energy hai, and it is got, it is going to sit here and there
Yeah.
in your body. So this is one thing that they need to know. Words are energies, and whether you discard it from your mind or you might, discard it from your heart, but your body is going to keep the score. So
Mm.
you have to learn to process it. You have to learn to कम्युनिकेट, उसको क्लोज लूप में लेकर आना है, उस कम्युनिकेशन को ओपन एंडेड नहीं छोड़ देना कि उन्होंने बोल दिया और आप चुप कर गए। उन्होंने बोल दिया, पर आपको अपनी सेल्फ टॉक के अंदर उस लूप को कंप्लीट करना है कि उन्होंने जो बोला है, बट दिस वाज माय 100%, आई विल सी इफ व्हाट दे सेड कैन आल्सो बी एडेड इनटू मी, इफ नॉट कि वो करना ही है।
Mm.
वो करना नहीं है, जरूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि जो उसका सेंस है वो जरूरी नहीं है आपका हो, जरूरी नहीं है आपके
Yes,
बच्चे
yes.
को वो चाहिए या फिर आपको वो चाहिए। बट हमने क्या किया, हमने एक्नॉलेज किया उस कॉन्वर्सेशन को। सिर्फ वही कंडीशन उससे नहीं ब्ला ब्ला करके नहीं भाग गए कि हाय उसने बोल दिया, ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, रोना पिटना नहीं है हमको।
Right.
हमको उसको प्रोसेस करना है माइंडफुली, एंड इफ इट इज फॉर यू, यूज इट फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम। इफ इट इज नॉट फॉर यू, देन give them back.
Discard. Yeah.
This is not for you, this is not for me. So you have to do that self talk, because the more you close the conversation, किसी को जाके कुछ नहीं बोलना है आपको, but within you it needs to happen.
Great. Great.
Mm.
Okay, now I'll go to my next question, which is my standard question. I normally ask all my
जी.
guests, ikigai. Yeah.
Right.
Like we already talked about my purpose, meaning. I think we already talked about it. Again, I would just try to bring it to actionable advice. Yeah. How can somebody find his ikigai, his reason of being, his motivation of waking up from the bed every morning?
Okay. There are two perspectives to see it. I want to share both the perspective.
Okay.
What will help you, that helped me also. What will help you to get up from the bed and move towards, bring that movement in you, is your fear of something.
Fear
Why?
of something.
Because that fear is going to become your driving force, because you don't want that to happen to you. You don't want fear of losing people, fear of judgment, fear of whatever you want. अब आप वो judgment, जैसे अब आपके केस में अगर हम इसी को define करें, how people are going to remember me. So you want to have that, identity of being someone. ठीक है, what अगर मैं ऐसे ही चला जाऊंगा तो कोई मुझे याद ही नहीं करेगा.
Yeah, that is fear. Yes, that is
fear. That's a
yes.
fear. So initially
Fear of
जो
being
हमारे mind,
nobody.
yes, fear of being
Nobody.
nobody, and being nobody, right? So initial stages पे, when you really don't know anything about anything, but you can acknowledge your fears. बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है, छोटी छोटी चीजों का डर लगता है, बहुत छोटी, वो बड़ी बड़ी तो भूल ही जाओ. Fear of being nobody is a very big statement, right? But when you started, have you ever think of that कि I am doing it because I am afraid of being nobody?
No, no.
You are acknowledging it now, right? You started it because there was something that you are not doing anything, you want to do something. ठीक है, but what I am giving you a consolidated thing. अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, your fear will give you that purpose. That fear will give you that meaning, because what you don't want, which is happening in your life, you want to change it.
Yes, and you'll take action to avoid that.
राइट. तो उसके लिए सुबह उठोगे क्योंकि आपको पता है वो, ये ना पतले होना है, बीमार ना हो जाऊं, इसलिए एक्सरसाइज करने जाना है. फियर बेस्ड होते हैं ड्राइविंग फोर्स हमारे इनिशियल स्टेजेस पे.
Agreed.
एंड विच इज गुड.
Very good perspective, really.
राइट, विच इज गुड, क्योंकि अगर आप अपने फियर को एक्नॉलेज कर लोगे, ठीक है, आप उसके बियॉन्ड जाने की ताकत रखते हो.
मैंने भी
अगर आपने किसी चीज को
yes, yes.
नहीं, प्लीज से व्हाट यू आर
I'm just saying कि मैंने कम से कम 25-30 सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स पढ़ी हैं. At least 25 to 30 self help books I've read in the last 1 or 2 years. Last 2 years. This is a brand new perspective. This is not in any way. This is quite original. That your fears. Yeah.
That's why beyond fear. That's why out of everything, I just tell people what I'm going to help you to go beyond your fear, because beyond fear, there is only love and light. There is nothing else, because we are afraid of facing the fear. So I give you a nugget that I give in my classes. Fear ठीक है, you get the point. If your driving force will be your fear.
Fear.
Now another perspective to see the fear, it's FEAR. I call it Phoenix code. What is the Phoenix? Phoenix which brings the rebirth. राइट आप जिस चीज से डर रहे हो, अगर आप उस डर के ऊपर हावी हो जाओगे, कहते हैं ना डर के पार वो जीत है, आई से डर के उस पार रोशनी और प्यार. सो फियर इज व्हाट? F, face it. E, embrace it. A, act on it. And R, rewrite your story.
Face it, embrace
it, act
and
rewrite your story.
Fear. Okay. Very
Rewrite your story, because the moment you step beyond your fear, you are at a different level of consciousness. You are at a different level of your being. Right? The first initial is your driving force, is your fear. Try to list down your fears. The more fears you are writing, the more fears you are going to go beyond. And fears kuch nahi hote, it's just the anticipation of the pain or something that something is going to happen. It's illusion.
So if you have your next workshop about this fear to freedom, please, I don't know if you already have any schedule.
No,
you can tell now.
It's in the last week of July. Weekends pe hai. Yes,
Okay.
it is there.
Okay. So,
so we don't go into very technical things. The very first perspective is see the fear. हम क्या कहते हैं, हर प्रॉब्लम में उसका सॉल्यूशन है.
Right.
So that fear is not the problem. That fear is the code that we are decoding now for that journey from fear to freedom. What is that journey from fear to freedom? Is you are moving from that low potential zone to you are coming to your highest potential zone, because you are overcoming what is blocking you.
Okay.
Right?
Very good.
And the second perspective to see it, the purpose of life. Right? As I always say, there is one saying, and that's my favorite. You cannot meditate. You become meditated. Same way, you cannot find your purpose. The purpose will find you when you become that person.
Please elaborate. Too heavy for me.
Sorry. Sorry.
No, I like listening, but let me decode it. Okay, let me decode it.
So जैसे मैंने fear decode किया, you got it. The fear decode हो गया ना? हाँ. So it's like when the purpose. What is your purpose? Purpose is where it gives a meaning to you.
Yeah.
It gives a meaning to your life, to your existence, which you are going to carry forward till your last breath. That's how we define purpose, right? So what I said, you cannot find your purpose.
The purpose will find.
Your purpose will find you when you start stepping up every day. The person you will become, rest everything will be the outcome of that. Your purpose will find you. क्योंकि पर्पस इज नॉट समथिंग जो आप ढूंढ सकते हो, क्योंकि वो पर्पस तो हम ढूंढ ही रहे हैं ना. जॉब, अच्छी नौकरी, अच्छा घर, अच्छा ये, अच्छा वो, ये सक्सेस, वो तो हम कर ही रहे हैं. हम पर्पस ही तो दे रहे हैं, हर थोड़े दिनों बाद एक नया पर्पस दे रहे हैं. सो ये वो पर्पस हैं जो यहाँ से आते हैं. पर वो जो वहां से आना है ना, दैट विल ओनली कम टू यू व्हेन यू रीच टू दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी. द पर्पस विल फाइंड यू.
बट लेकिन मैं अगर आपको क्वेश्चन करूं इसमें टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर.
यस.
ये तो ऐसा हो गया कि मैं बिना नेविगेशन, जैसे कार चला रहा हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रॉम माय होम आई वांट टू गो टू द नियरेस्ट सुपरमार्केट, और जो भी टर्न आया, कभी मैंने लेफ्ट ले लिया, कभी राइट ले लिया, फिर ये वाला राइट ले लिया, फिर लेफ्ट ले लिया. ये तो मतलब ऐसा चल रहा है कि मुझे जाना सुपरमार्केट है एट द एंड, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं किस पाथ पे जा रहा हूँ. आप जो बोल रहे हो कि पर्पस विल फाइंड यू, इट्स सिमिलर टू मैं अपने घर से निकला, अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि सुपरमार्केट आ जाएगी.
नहीं,
मैं गलत समझ रहा हूँ आपको?
नहीं, आप गलत नहीं समझ रहे हैं. यू आर वेरी राइट. बट यहाँ पे जो कहते हैं ना, द थिन लाइन दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज, पर्पस की तरफ तो जा रहे हैं, पर ये नहीं देखा ना हम खड़े कहाँ हैं. दैट वी स्टार्टेड विद, मिरर में तो देखा ही नहीं. आपने बोला कि आप घर से चल रहे हो.
राइट.
वेयर इज योर ओरिजिन? वेयर इज योर हाउस? Do you know which house you are talking about?
Yeah, now you're talking about inner inner where you are right now, from
Yeah,
where you want to
because
become.
the moment you get to know that here you
Mm.
are, right?
Mm.
So I'll elaborate it in one line. So I say, you cannot find your purpose. Your purpose will find you.
Right.
Okay? Why? How your purpose will find you? When this I, right? This I will start. This I cannot find the purpose, but this I can shed what she is not, what he is not. And with that shedding, the layers which he or she is not, slowly and gradually, what will be coming up
Mm.
is what?
The destination, the purpose. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Right? So you have to shed what you are not,
Mm.
and you will, जो बाहर आएगा,
वो अपने आप
जो
बन
I
जाएगा.
used to say, हाँ, so what you will become. So you are not becoming that. You already are that. उस पे layers चढ़ी हुई हैं. तो
Okay.
जब वो layers हटाओगे ना, तो वो अपने आप आ जाएगा, वो अपने आप दिखने लग जाएगा, और हर स्टेप पे दिखेगा. एंड एवरी स्टेप इज गोइंग टू टेल यू विच टर्न you are required to take now,
Right.
where you need to head now.
Thank you. Thank you. That's a good
I
good
hope
perspective. Yeah, it is a
so.
little bit clear now.
Hmm.
It's clear. I'll be very honest, not 100%.
Yes.
But
So
we
I'll
need,
make it
yeah.
very simple for you कि
Hmm.
what is this? ये layers क्या हैं अब? अब हम हमारी एक आइडेंटिटी है. We have an identity.
Hmm.
So क्या हम अपनी इस आइडेंटिटी को झुठला दें? What should we say कि this is not us?
Hmm.
Right? If we talk about shedding the layer, that maybe that's what is coming to you के अच्छा ठीक है, समझ तो आ गया, लेयर शेड करनी है, पर कौन सी लेयर शेड करनी है? तो जो ये है अभी, जो मैं हूँ, वो क्या है? वो कौन है? वो भी तो मैं ही हूँ.
Hmm.
Right? Am I right? This is the
Yes,
question.
yes, yes.
Right? So it is not about that कि जो आपको consciously पता चल रहा है. Right? You will get this answer. That's what, again, the same activity. Go in the mirror, look, and I am giving you two activity. I hope we all are adults, we can understand that thing. All of you, if you can do that, see yourself in the mirror full length. Okay? And see yourself with the clothes and without the clothes, and you would be able to reveal hell lot of things about your own self. Because हम जो कपड़े पहनते हैं ना, उससे हम बहुत कुछ कवर करके रखते हैं. ठीक है? बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट सीइंग इट, तो आपको खुद को पता चलेगा कितनी कितनी सारी चीजें हैं जिससे हम ही रेजोनेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, जो हमें ही अपने में पसंद नहीं है.
चेंज करना है हमने उनको. We have
So
to bring
that's
more
what you
things.
start shedding, and every layer you shed, very small, कि और it can be different from everyone, right? For me it was like, जैसे लोग कहते हैं ना, नो कहना सीखना है, right? I am a person, I say, मुझे नहीं कहना नो. Why would I say no to anyone when I have that thing कि मैं हो, जैसे I always say, I am 24/7 available without any second thought. Whenever you need me, just connect with me. 365 days, irrespective क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. So I lost my dad 2 years back, December 2023. 14th December I lost him, and 16th December I did my 7 hours surrogate session. And the very next day that lady was calling me. She's like, I didn't knew that about your dad. मैंने कहा it's okay. So कहती, I don't feel like calling you. मैंने कहा why? She said, you should have your space and time. मैंने कहा no, I don't want to have that space and time, because to be honest, my dad's going was so sudden that it taught me the biggest lesson, that we really don't know whether we have the other now, the next now, or not. Because he went just like that. We were talking and he said, I'm going to sleep now. He kept his hand and he just went. There was nothing, right? So that taught me the lesson. And I told that lady, Anika, see, irrespective of what had happened, you have to connect to me, because right now I am in this now. I don't know whether I won't be able to be present in the next now. So just be there. So I don't want to say no. That's mine. But there are people who want to learn to say no. And I wanted to learn. I understood from my journey. I don't want to say no to
Okay, and I
anyone
leave that
ever.
one to everybody's to decide whether.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it is,
Yes.
that's why I'm saying okay, it's an individual thing. And every individual needs to know what is their things. उनको अपने आप को देखना है, कोई भी डिफाइन नहीं कर सकता उसको.
Sometimes saying, not being able to say no is very bad for time management.
Hmm.
It's also very bad for burnout, because a
Hmm.
person who is burnt
Hmm.
out, cannot
Hmm.
deliver his 100%. So that's why I will
Hmm.
leave everybody to decide by himself.
Yes.
Like you yourself have
And
made a choice
so
that you don't
yes,
want to say
इसमें
no.
एक चीज और है इसमें सर, कि ये जो चॉइस है ना, ये उस मोमेंट पे है.
Hmm.
In the next now, you should know that you have a freedom to say no. So I always tell an example to everyone. In this now, I love mangoes.
Hmm.
10 मिनट बाद मुझसे पूछोगे ना, आई माइट बी हेटिंग मैंगोज, पर
Ah.
तुम कल में से आगे पूछोगे ना, मैं शायद फिर से आम खा रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत
Hmm.
पसंद है.
Yeah.
Right? So it is in that moment, in that now, what is coming. You
Okay.
need to be true to that. So change is inevitable and you need to be adaptable to change for your own self. क्योंकि rigid नहीं होना, जहाँ rigid हो रहे हो वहाँ stagnancy आ रही है. So you are conditioning yourself to be rigid. कभी कभी ये इस चीज को समझना बड़ा जरूरी है कि when the same belief is going to work and when the same belief is actually going to not work for you or bring some kind of other emotion that you really don't want to feel later. So
Right.
it's on in that now only. It's all in that now. And in that now, what is coming? Just be true to your own self. Own your truth. In
Okay.
that now only. डोंट रिजिड और उसको पकड़ के मत बैठो. मेरे मेंटर मुझे बोलते हैं शादी नहीं कर लेनी है किसी भी थॉट से.
Hmm.
ठीक है, उस
Yes.
मोमेंट में आया है, नेक्स्ट मोमेंट में चेंज हो सकता है. तो आई गिव एग्जांपल एवरीवन. मुझे आम पसंद है भैया. तुम में से जितनी बार पूछोगे उतनी बार मेरा जवाब डिफरेंट होगा. स्टेटमेंट भी डिफरेंट होगी, बताने का तरीका भी डिफरेंट होगा, मेरी एक्साइटमेंट भी डिफरेंट होगी.
Okay.
हम्म.
Good. Okay. Now I'll come to a topic which is very, let's say, very interesting. The past life regression. Okay.
हम्म.
First, I'll tell you my experience about this. I
हम्म.
was traveling maybe 20 years back, 15 years back. I was traveling from Latvia to India. On the
हम्म.
airports, there was flight delay. So I made one friend, one Indian businessman. He was traveling and he gave me this one book, Many Masters, Many Lives. And he said, I'm done with the
डॉक्टर
book.
ब्रायन
So,
वेस.
Dr.
हम्म.
Brandis, uh, he said, I'm done with the book. If you want, you can have it. And he just
हम्म.
casually gave it to me. And because I was on a long flight, 6-7 hours flight, so I got a chance to uninterrupted reading. And believe me, when I was traveling from airport to my home in taxi, I kept on reading. This never happened. It was
It
such
grabbed your
so
attention actually.
grasping. Yeah,
Yes.
how Stephanie's and Jennifer's and how this doctor is talking. First, I thought this is all fake, but then I met you, who has also, I mean, experienced something similar with your patients or
Hmm.
clients, or I don't know how you want to call them,
Hmm. Family members,
family
extended
members.
family.
Yeah. So please share something, because I never have anybody to talk to about this
Hmm.
past life regression, which is a very interesting topic.
Yes, it is
So,
actually. और अभी तो आजकल बहुत famous भी है because a lot of things are happening in the media where the renowned people, they are just going like anything, and then the mediums and the channelers are connecting to them, understanding what
hmm,
happened, why it happened. So yes, so past life regression is to start this conversation. I first want to tell everyone that the past, present, and future is happening in this now, right? It's a very difficult to understand how it is happening in this now, right? Because the past, the present, and the future, it's nothing but the parallel realities. First thing, and secondly, it's a vibrational frequency, or it's a different level of frequency जहाँ पे वो चीजें हो रही हैं. ठीक है. एंड पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन इज लाइक, सी जैसे हम बोलते हैं अगर पास्ट खत्म हो चुका है,
hmm,
राइट, तो हमारे प्रेजेंट के अंदर हमारे पे किसी भी चीज का इम्पैक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, हमारे जो जब हम बचपन में हमारे साथ जो हुआ, अगर पास्ट जा चुका है और खत्म हो चुका है, तो प्रेजेंट के अंदर भी वो मेमोरीज हमको हर्ट कैसे कर सकती हैं?
करती है, अभी भी कर, राइट,
वो तो डिसॉल्व हो जानी चाहिए.
राइट.
सो फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम दिस नाउ इज द पास्ट,
Hmm,
नॉट ओनली द लाइफ. बिकॉज ऐसे देखा जाए तो आपका पिछला नाउ, जो अभी हमने 1 घंटा पहले जब बात शुरू करी थी, वो अब हिस्ट्री बन चुका है.
hmm,
हम इस नाव में पहुंच गए हैं. ठीक है. एंड फ्यूचर इज continuously coming, coming, coming. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. So it is happening in this now. So when we specifically talk about past life regression, what we do is like we travel from this this कॉन्शियस माइंड के फ्रिक्वेंसी से हम सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के फ्रिक्वेंसी पे जाते हैं, एंड अगर और डीपर जाना है तो अनकॉन्शियस माइंड की फ्रिक्वेंसी पे जाते हैं,
Okay.
राइट? पर इस माइंड को हम यूज करते हैं एज अ टूल की तरह। क्यों? क्योंकि हमको उसको प्रेजेंट के अंदर उन इंफॉर्मेशन को लेकर आना है। अभी क्या है वहां से? अभी वहां से पेन और नेगेटिव चीजें हैं। अच्छा कुछ होगा तो कभी सोचोगे पीछे क्या हुआ था? वो नहीं देखोगे कि वो अच्छा कैसे पहुंचे हो यहाँ पे। पर बुरा हुआ तो सारी कहानियां याद आ जाएंगी, और ऐसे आती है धड़ धड़ करके, याद भी नहीं होगा टॉपिक क्या था, अभी में क्या हुआ था, बट पिछला सब याद आ जाता है, राइट?
Right.
So past life regression is nothing but where we actually tap into all the memories that are in our subconscious mind to redo the past. वो मूवी देखी होगी आप सबने, अक्षय कुमार एंड उसके ऐश्वर्या राय की, जिसमें उनका बेटा उनकी पास्ट लाइफ में जाके सब कुछ चेंज करता है। जोर का झटका है जोरों से लगा, दैट सॉन्ग इज दैट, आई डोंट
Okay.
रिमेम्बर द नेम ऑफ द मूवी। सो what they did is like time machine की तरह कि they went into the past, they changed the situations there
Hmm.
which bring the impact in the present. यही है ना, whatever you do it, whatever you are doing in your past, in your present you know what you did wrong or what you
Hmm.
did right, right? You get that awareness
Yeah.
later on, right? So if you got a chance to go back
You
and
go fix it.
redo, you go
Yeah.
fix it,
Hmm.
and your present will be changed. That's what we do in the past life regression. And how we can do it is like, it's the memory बैंक की तरह है। कॉन्शियस माइंड इज अ शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी, जैसे हमारे सिस्टम्स में होती है ना शॉर्ट टर्म एंड लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी,
Hmm.
रैंडम एक्सेस
RAM.
मेमोरी एंड द परमानेंट एक्सेस मेमोरी,
Yes. Yes.
राइट?
RAM and ROM.
आप एग्जैक्टली सो यहाँ पे आपकी वो शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी है। कॉन्शियस माइंड का काम क्या है? आपकी डे टू डे लाइफ को कॉन्फ़िगर करना, उस पर काम करना, ठीक है? अगर इस मेमोरी को आप ओवरलोड कर दोगे, सब कुछ इसके अंदर याद रहेगा, ये क्रैश कर जाएगी। तो आप डे टू डे रूटीन में नहीं करते। हम कहते हैं टाइम इज द बेस्ट हीलर अगर कुछ होता है तो टाइम इज नॉट द बेस्ट हीलर। टाइम एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू मास्क दोज लेयर्स एंड कीप गिव देम अ बैक सीट, सो दैट आप अपने प्रेजेंट के अंदर अपनी लाइफ को अच्छे से जी सको। ठीक है? आज भी if you have lost someone or if you had gone through some kind of not very good moments, आप आज भी उन मोमेंट्स को याद करके रो सकते हो। आप आज भी उन मोमेंट को याद करके उससे ज्यादा इंटेंसिफाइड पेन फील कर सकते हो जो उस टाइम नहीं किया था।
True.
तो इमेजिन इफ यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस द पेन of that time, you can experience the pleasure also.
Okay.
So in the past life regression, so I had my ways of doing the past life regression, ठीक है? But there are multiple ways, जितने लोग हैं उतने तरीके से करते हैं। सो पास्ट लाइफ में हम क्या करते हैं? कॉन्शियस आपके इस जो शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी है, इससे हम एक ब्रिज क्रिएट करते हैं, ठीक है? जो थेरेपिस्ट कराता है आपको, और आप अपने पास्ट में जाते हैं, जहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? आप अपने सब कॉन्शियस मेमोरीज को एक्सेस कर रहे हैं। सो आप डाटा बैंक में जा रहे हैं, लैपटॉप को ऑन करके ना उसकी ड्राइव में आप एंटर कर रहे हो खुद से, राइट? सो व्हेन यू एंटर इन दैट ड्राइव, वहाँ सारी फाइल्स हैं, एंड वहाँ उस लेवल की फाइल्स हैं द डे यू गॉट इनकारनेटेड, राइट? उस वहाँ पॉइंट से सारी फाइल्स हैं। So I myself had seen my lives, and then there with the clients also, we had gone to the time when the Lord Krishna times and the Satyuga time, and then when they themselves were very very tapasvi kind of people, and there were lots of shishyas to them. So we can access that memory till the point where the existence started itself.
But here, Ruchi, I feel like very high level of trust is required. I don't think you can achieve this with somebody who is not believing. I mean,
Yes.
the person you're
So
working with has to fully surrender. Either he or she has to be in deep pain, because this what you're
yes,
talking is like extreme. This is
exactly.
much bigger than just
Exactly.
healing. Yeah.
Right.
You will not suggest for anybody who is just
No,
mildly.
I don't
This is
recommend
extreme.
anyone to go for the past life regression until and unless it is the
Last resort, yeah.
matter of life and death.
Agree.
Why? Because I believe, in my experience, though I had learned that, but I don't use it much. So what I say is like, एक person जो already अपनी इस current life में इतना suffer कर रहा है, ठीक है, and then when they know about the karma cycle, कुछ हुआ होगा तभी अभी ऐसा है ना, कुछ तो है ना, and you take that person back there, showing them what you did, what you are doing, you are torturing that person, right?
Very good.
ठीक है. So what I believe is like, पहली चीज, this is your current life. What is unresolved, you had already experienced in this life also, क्योंकि वो pattern की तरह repeat हो रहा है. So there is no need to go back into your past lives. Everything can be resolved in this life, because इस life को आपने जिया, इसकी memories आपको पता है, आप उसी moment पे जाके lesson learn करो and come back. That's
Right.
it. What's the point of doing that? What's the point of, because initially when I did few sessions, to me it was like very intriguing, because people were there, because it is very fascinating. Oh, I did my past life regression. अरे बाबा, contest, उसका context समझो, उसका essence समझो. Why we are doing that? We are doing that for the soul to learn the lesson. But if you can learn the lesson here only, why you want to go back in that era?
Ruchi, really, when I was reading that book, I could feel that my blood pressure started rising to that level. And I don't even know that girl, maybe Jennifer or Stephanie, or who was that patient name, I don't remember. There was, I mean, believe me, I don't know that girl. This girl is going in her previous life, trying to remember why I'm suffering in this current
Right.
life, and the doctor is helping, the therapist is
So
helping.
imagine, just by reading that,
My blood pressure was rising.
what
actually.
memories was, see, आप देखो इसको, सतयुग में भी हम सब थे, द्वापर युग में भी हम सब थे, त्रेता में भी हम सब थे, और अब कलयुग में भी हम सब हैं. So we all had gone through everything, right? And just by reading, if it is bringing so much of sensations to you, what is happening? You are actually activating those memory cells which are dormant. Why would you want to do that? आप इस लाइफ में आए हो, इस लाइफ का पर्पस पूरा करो ना. You have the purpose. So purpose क्या है? Soul की journey में आप lessons, in the context of soul journey, you are here to learn your lesson and grow to the next level of consciousness.
Okay, great.
Right? क्योंकि the more you are growing, what is that? You are shedding what you are not, and then you are growing to the next level of consciousness, because after that particular situation or trigger is not going to come back again, because now you know how to say it. जैसे अभी हमने self doubt के केस में उनको क्या बोला? Don't buy it. You you are training your mind कि what do you want and what you don't want. So I am not against it, because बहुत सारे cases में बिना past life में जाए आपको solution और answer नहीं मिलते हैं. It was in my case also.
नहीं, मुझे मैं बिलीव करता हूँ इस बात में बिल्कुल, और मैं भी यही बोलूंगा कि अगर वो लास्ट रिजॉर्ट नहीं है, better stay away from it.
So but मैंने बोला ना, until and unless it's not the matter of life and death, which was for me, it was for me, right? So I had to go there, and the way I was going is like, I was not going there. Every night when I was sleeping, it was coming to me in the form of dreams. I was able to see and live that moment, right? So that's a different story. We are not going there.
Yes.
So until and unless it is not the matter of life and death, you can resolve everything in this life only.
Right.
You need not to go there. Why? Because उस केस में आप अपनी यहाँ वाली लाइफ भी हैम्पर कर जाओगे. Because what I observe one thing with multiple people, वो वहां पे एक चीज को ठीक करने जाते थे, पर 4 चीजें फालतू एक्टिवेट करके आ जाते थे, और उनको पता भी नहीं है. वो बाद में रियलाइज होता है कि अरे ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ.
बहुत हैवी बातें हो गई.
Exactly.
Really?
तो इसको लाइटर करते हैं.
Really?
That's why this topic is, so never ever try to, I will recommend everyone, past life regression की option आप सिर्फ तभी लें, इसलिए नहीं कि फैंसी है और हर कोई आपको सजेस्ट कर रहा है, रिकमेंड कर रहा है. नहीं. If you are ready to learn your lesson, आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये देखो, इस लाइफ के बारे में आपको सब याद है, क्या हुआ था बचपन में, क्या हुआ था, क्या हुआ था. ठीक है, वही पैटर्न रिपीट हो रहे हैं. भगवान जी थप्पड़ लगाते हैं. जब जोर के थप्पड़ लगता है ना, तो सबसे पहले यही वाली फैंसी चीजों की तरफ ध्यान जाता है. पर मैं फिर भी बोलती हूँ, इन फैंसी चीजों की तरफ ध्यान जाने से पहले स्लो डाउन, टेक अ ब्रेक. Don't torture more to yourself, because you are already in lots of pain. and your focus needs to be to come out of the pain, not to know the root of the pain. ठीक है, I do that. ठीक है, और उसके लिए तभी हम बॉडी कॉन्शियसनेस की बात करते हैं, जो दिखाई दे रहा है ना, सिर्फ उसी की अवेयरनेस से आप सब चीजें ठीक कर सकते हो. ठीक है, द
Good.
मोर यू सी, अब आप सोचो आप अपने आप को मिरर में देख रहे हो एंड यू गेट टू नो समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ, कि
Yeah,
आपको
it
ये
will start
पसंद
bothering.
नहीं है
Yeah, it will
है
start
ना,
bothering me.
राइट, तो वो आपको बॉदर करने लगेगी एंड यू विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग एक्शन.
Hmm.
दैट्स व्हेन यू स्टार्ट चेंजिंग योरसेल्फ.
Right.
सो चेंज नहीं करना है, इसलिए भी कुछ लोग उस तरफ जाते हैं कि बस कहानियों में घूमते रहेंगे हम.
Hmm.
ठीक है, बट आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग इट, बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ वॉज देयर. There are certain things that cannot be resolved without going there, राइट, एंड इट इज वेरी, जैसे आपने बोला हैवी, अभी सुनने में इतना हैवी लग रहा है, आपको बुक पढ़ने में इतना
Scary
हैवी
bhi
लग
hai,
रहा है,
ma'am.
लोगों की रियलिटी है वो.
It is scary. It's scary. Yeah, I must say it's scary.
एग्जैक्टली,
As one
लोगों
of
की
my
रियलिटी
friend,
है वो
yeah,
ना.
one of my friends says, when we try to touch some topic, uh, he says this will open the doors to a very dark room. So
एग्जैक्टली.
right,
सो
okay.
इसीलिए जो मेरे सेशंस भी होते हैं ना, जो मैं लोगों को जिस तरीके से कराती हूँ, सो आई ऑलवेज से देम, there is no dark night of the soul. If you are connecting to me, please don't come to me that you are going to go in the dark night of the soul.
Hmm.
There is only light which is going to grow exponentially. I will be talking about the light. I will be talking how to raise that light, because जैसे वो लाइट बढ़ रही है ना आपकी, ठीक है,
Hmm.
एंड भगवान जी की ग्रेस है कि आई एम अ साइकिक मीडियम. सो when the person is coming, before they say anything, I know from where the things are coming. So वो मुझे दिखाते हैं रूट, क्योंकि प्रिपेयर किया है उन्होंने मुझे उस चीज के लिए, राइट. सो वो मुझे रूट दिखाते हैं, बट मेरा काम क्या है, ईदर इन टर्म्स ऑफ 5 एलिमेंट्स, जो हम सबको पता है कि हम 5 तत्वों से मिलकर बने हैं, और ईदर इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर करंट लाइफ. आई जस्ट ब्रिंग देम बैक टू लाइफ,
Great, great.
राइट, बिकॉज नहीं करना है, जिंदगी जीने आए हैं एंड इट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. वो लूप इन नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है, वो हैवीनेस नहीं चाहिए. जिंदगी जीनी है, बहुत खूबसूरत है. फोकस ऑन लिविंग एंड बीइंग अलाइव, बीइंग जॉयफुल, बीइंग पीसफुल.
Yes.
ग्लैमराइज करके वो लेबल्स नहीं चाहिए हमें.
Good. मैंने बहुत time ले लिया. I've taken a lot of time from you. So let us wrap up this with a very
Yes, please.
small section, just fun round. I prepared some very short rapid fire round for you.
Go
Okay.
for it.
So I'll just ask 3-4 questions. Let's say,
Okay.
let's start like this.
Hmm.
You have to just reply whatever comes to your mind first. Okay. Not thinking.
The first impression will be there.
Okay. One
Yes.
book that changed your life.
DLO.
One daily habit that brings you happiness.
Spending time with myself. Listening to myself.
Very good. One practical tip for better relationship with your spouse.
Trust that you are meant to be together, and whatever is coming in your way, it is for all good reasons, for you to grow stronger together.
One advice for young mothers and fathers, young parents.
Just live it. Just live that motherhood and fatherhood, because it's not going to come back. And for me, it's the most beautiful phase of your life, where you actually learn to live from the very scratch, looking at them.
Great. All 4 answers perfectly given. If
I
I was
want to add
yes, please.
add a line to my first question that you asked, is the book
That
which
changed your
you
life.
might be saying, what is that book, DLO? So DLO is not a book, because DLO is a person. And so it's like I had a dream that I wanted to create a human library, because for me, even before I started this journey, for me, I know that this, when people ask me how you can just see everyone the same way, because I say, because everyone is on their journey, right? And for me, that's a human library that I am tapping into. And it is every time it's a book that I am reading, right? And I really want everyone to look at themselves as a book, and learn to read the chapters, and how far you all had come by, and pat on your back, right? But the very first book which actually helped me read myself, that was that person. Because by looking at that person, he reminded me of this particular thing. Okay, you had forgotten your essence. You had forgotten to learn from yourself. You had forgotten to learn from everyone. Because what I say is like, I used to say, you are the guru and the disciple at the same time. And everyone who is crossing your path, be it for a reason, be it for a season, or be it for a lifetime, it is there to bring some essence in your life, because they are there to teach you, and at the same time they are there to learn something from you. So I had forgotten that thing. So the DLO is Daily Life Observer. So he used to use that name, and that name actually reminds me of that particular thing. I had
Okay.
stopped learning, I had stopped growing. That's why I became stagnant.
Very
So every
Thank
human
you.
is a book. So I just keep reading lots of them every day. And I'm so blessed to, have the access to that level of library, which is like so vast.
Well, I wish you good luck, wish you good health,
Thank you
good,
so
because
much.
you need a lot of energy in what you're doing. You have a lot of long to-do lists, I know. So thank you very
I don't have
much.
a
Yeah.
list. I really don't have a list. What I do is like I just be in this now. जो आ जाए, अच्छा ये करना है, okay, कर देते हैं. Let's do it. That's it. Just keep doing, keep moving. Don't stop yourself. But yes, all of us have to take that pause to look at your own self. So today, take a pledge that you are going to do that. Because अब तक मिरर में ना सिर्फ तैयार होने के लिए देखते थे. अब मिरर में एक्चुअली में खुद को देखने के लिए देखना है. And the more you are going to see in the mirror, the more you are going to know about yourself. And it is a journey from knowing you to becoming you. Because that's how that will come out when you are aware of it, who you are not.
Excellent, excellent advice. Thank you very much. Or you
Thank you
have,
so much
yes,
for
thank
having
you.
me here.
And one last thing, you are what is the most preferred way for people to contact you? Is it Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook? What do you prefer? I'll put all the links,
Anywhere.
by the way.
Yeah, so they can connect me anywhere, but otherwise they can directly mail me. So I'll provide my mail ID. That would be the easiest way for me to actually, have a track of everything.
Great, great. I
Right?
will.
Because I never miss any communication. So with the mails in my mailing list, there is nothing that I miss. Because social media पे भी कभी miss हो जाएगा,
Right.
और कभी WhatsApp पे भी बहुत सारे messages में गुम हो जाएगा. But mails are like my data bank.
Great.
And there is one form if anybody wants to connect with me personally, right? And whosoever is going to come from your reference, they are going to have one clarity call free of cost with me whenever they want to. They just need to mention your name, that with your reference or with this podcast they are coming to me. They will get that clarity call free of cost.
Great, great. Thank you. So
So
nice of you.
right.
Thank you.
And to mail hai, and then there is a Google form which is available on all the social media platform. They can just fill that, and I'll get back to them.
Perfect. Thank you very much. आपके बच्चों को आपने,
Thanks to
हाँ जी,
you.
yes, your husband is right now in India, and you
Yes.
really give more than almost close to 2 hours to me. Thank you very much. I will not even say.
As I
Yes,
say, 24/7 I am available.
Okay, stay in touch and hope to
Yes,
see you.
definitely,
Okay.
definitely. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you. All the best to everyone.